Have you ever known the English words, but still could not speak?
Maybe someone asked you a simple question.
And suddenly, your mind went blank.
Hi everyone, I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack.
Welcome back to our English podcast.
Today, we will learn English through a simple and interesting story.
No difficult grammar, just real English for real life.
If this has happened to you, stay with us. Today, you will hear a simple story. You will learn English through real conversations. And at the end, you will be able to practice speaking with us.
And here's a question. A young woman gets a chance to make a new friend, but she almost misses it. Why? Listen carefully. Let's begin. This story is about Mia. Mia is learning English. She studies every day. She watches videos. She reads books. She learns new words. But she has one problem. She is afraid to speak.
One day, Mia goes to a coffee shop. She sits alone. She opens her notebook. She starts studying. Then she notices someone nearby. A friendly woman is sitting at the next table. Her name is Sarah.
Sarah smiles. Mia smiles back, but then Mia looks away. She feels nervous. She wants to say something, but she doesn't know what to say.
A few minutes later, Sarah speaks first. Hi, is this seat taken? Mia smiles. No, not at all. Sarah sits down.
Now Mia has a chance to start a conversation, but her heart is beating fast. She thinks, what if I make a mistake? What if my English is bad? What if she doesn't understand me?
Then Mia remembers something important. She doesn't need perfect English. She only needs simple English. So she takes a deep breath and says, Hi, my name is Mia.
Sarah smiles. Nice to meet you, Mia. And just like that, the conversation begins.
Let's listen to a real-life situation. Imagine you are meeting someone for the first time. Maybe at a coffee shop, maybe at school, maybe at work.
Mia looked at Sarah and said, Hi, my name is Mia. Sarah smiled and replied, Nice to meet you.
Then Sarah asked, Are you from around here? Mia said, Not really. I moved here last year.
Sarah smiled again. Oh, that's nice. What do you do? Mia answered, I'm a student. How about you?
Sarah said, I work at a hospital. Mia replied, That sounds interesting.
Sarah thanked her and asked, What are you studying? Mia said, I'm studying English. I'm trying to improve my speaking.
Sarah smiled and said, You're doing great. And Mia answered, Thanks a lot. That means a lot to me.
Did you notice something? The conversation was simple, short sentences, simple words, but it felt natural.
And most importantly, Mia was not using perfect English. She was simply communicating. Let's look at some useful phrases from the conversation. You already heard them naturally. Now let's understand them.
Phrase number 1. Nice to meet you. We use this when meeting someone for the first time.
Phrase number 2. Not really. A friendly way to say no.
Phrase number 3. How about you? Very useful. You answer first. Then you ask the same question back.
Phrase number 4. That sounds interesting. A great phrase when someone talks about their job, hobby, or experience.
Phrase number 5. I'm trying to improve. Many learners use this phrase. I'm trying to improve my English. I'm trying to improve my speaking.
Phrase number 6. You're doing great. A phrase of encouragement.
Phrase number 7. Thanks a lot. A warm way to say thank you.
Phrase number 8. That means a lot to me. This shows emotion. It shows appreciation.
Phrase number 9. Not at all. A polite response.
And phrase number 10. From around here. We use this when asking if someone lives nearby. These are real phrases. People use them every day.
Now it's your turn. Let's practice together. Speak out loud. Don't worry about mistakes. Ready?
Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. Again. Nice to meet you.
Now repeat. How about you? One more time. How about you?
Now answer this question. What is your name? Say, my name is... Great.
Next question. What do you do? You can say, I'm a student, or I work in a shop, or I work in an office. Your turn.
Excellent. Next question. Are you trying to improve your English? Say, yes, I am. Or, of course.
Wonderful. Now let's do a mini conversation. I'll be Sarah. You be Mia. Ready? Hi, my name is Sarah. Nice to meet you. What is your name? What do you do? Are you learning English? That's great. Keep going. Fantastic job.
Let's review 5 useful phrases. Nice to meet you. How about you? That sounds interesting. Thanks a lot. You're doing great.
And now, 5 useful words. Friend, a person you like and trust. Student, a person who learns. Improve, to become better. Conversation, people talking together. Confidence, believing in yourself. Simple words, very useful words. Before we finish, we want to tell you something. You do not need perfect English.
You do not need a perfect accent. You do not need perfect grammar.
You only need courage. One sentence today, another sentence tomorrow. That is how progress happens.
Every conversation helps. Every mistake teaches you something. Every day you practice, you become stronger.
If Mia waited for perfect English, she would never speak, but she spoke anyway. And she made a new friend.
Let's quickly revisit Mia's story. Mia felt nervous, but she started with, "Hi, my name is Mia."
Then she used simple phrases. Nice to meet you. How about you? That sounds interesting. I'm trying to improve my English.
Those simple phrases helped her connect with someone, and that small conversation became a positive memory.
Remember, small conversations can create big opportunities.
Now we have one question for you.
Imagine you meet someone new at a coffee shop. What would you say first? Write one simple English sentence introducing yourself.
And if you enjoyed practicing with us today, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who is learning English.
Keep speaking, keep practicing, and remember, you're doing great. See you in the next lesson.